So I got a couple bad ideas. Let's see if it works. House. Time for some droneage. You can hear that. It's not that bad. Maybe I should bust out the bigger one. It's fun. Alright, give a quick update. Paint's still drying. But it's agreeable gray and satin. And fun times. Gotta keep going. I don't know, what's your thoughts? Nice. Yeah. Quick update on the house. Looks like Zena's been busy while I've been at work. Start to prep everything, get everything ready. So, let's see how it comes out. We got a couple more contractors coming this week, and they're about to measure here in a few minutes. So, yeah, all this has to be repainted. Oh, for sure. We'll have to get it professionally painted, but she just wanted to put it on some walls to see if she liked it or not. Yeah, a lot more work to do in here, girls. So, we shall finish designing the wall that should go right here, then run all the power to it. Our website's now live, Wraithworks. We don't have Stanley cups, but we have really nice water bottles, merchandise, hoodies, t-shirts, backpacks, stickers, you name it. Go shop on there, have fun. All right, everyone. Just got all the recessed lighting in, so now I can customize it. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, you can see the blue. So not bad. Living room painting in progress. Definitely need more coats because look how streaky it is. There we go. That's some cool lighting. That's not needed. Over the top. There we go. Check out the lighting right there. Pretty cool. Unnecessary, but pretty awesome. Oh, looks way better dried. So I go back and finish the trim. But overall, not too bad. What's up, guys? Got a little update. Finished most of the painting. Now I just gotta finish the trim and flooring. Date night with the bestie.
Yes.
No?
No.
Hanging with my best friend.
Maybe.
Oh, that's messed up. Taking the type R. Let's do this. Gotta look at the wheel. Looks like it came off where they did the repair. Go figure. Back at the hotel, guys. Oh, nice to clean our room. Check it out. Not too bad, I'd say myself. Just gotta touch up a few little areas, but overall, pretty nice.